This is my 1980 Chevy Cheyenne Squarebody short box. It's got a 350 Corvette motor in it. It's not been started in a while. The radiator was stolen out of it and it needed a new fuel pump. I've put in a new fuel pump. We had to run new lines for the radiator. Got a used radiator for cheap. It needs a battery, which should be getting that tonight. Same with a new distributor cap and stuff. I have to pull out the plugs because they're no good. It was froze. We put some motor flush in there. It's not froze anymore. It does turn over, but it hasn't hit. So yeah, it needs new fenders, new doors, cab, corners, rocker panels. It needs a whole new box. The box is pretty much shot. Needs a new mirror. Needs new tires. That's like the best tire. And needs a new grill. So I'm hoping this will be a many part series, but it just all depends on how soon this truck starts to get running and we start getting parts around. But yeah, I haven't really been filming a lot of pulling out the plugs because it's just tedious work having to get around the headers and stuff with that and a wrench. As you can see, they're like coated in like oil and stuff. They're just dirty because I set them right here, but they literally smell like old gas and oil, so that's why we're getting new plugs. So I'll be back when I finish pulling plugs and start pulling the air filter off to get back to the distributor. We have all the plugs out. I took off the air filter and the air filter cover. They're inside the truck. Now to pull the distributor cap. Hopefully it's not corroded in there. If it is, oh well, I'm getting a new one anyways.